Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to use Qatar Airways Points. I will leave a link down below in the description so that you can create an email on Qatar Airways so that you can get points and redeem it on their official website. And the more you book flights with Qatar Airways, you will get more and more points so that you can redeem it. Now first, let me try to search for any flight. Just choose all details, then check this box right here. Then now click on search flights. But be careful, sometimes they may tell you that the award flights is not available for this airport. So you have to modify your search or click on view other flights. And after that, it will redirect you back to this section. So you'll have to change the airport and try to search for any airport that use the Qatar Airways points. And now you should select any one of these flights. I will choose this one here, for example. Click on it. Then here on the top left side, you will find here to change between the currency that you are using right now or the Avios. So I will choose the Avios. And after that, you will be able to use the Avios to book for the flight. But you need to know that this is a little bit limited. So you may not find many flights that use Qatar Airways points. But let's consider that this one uses Qatar Airways points. I'll click on this one right here, then choose my own flight, then click on it. And after that, I will be able to use this flight. I'll just have to add all my details, including the passport number and all the data and personal information in my passport. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.